Hello everyone and welcome to a quick IrfanView tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to rotate images in IrfanView. This is actually quite simple. First I open IrfanView and have already inserted an image here that we now want to rotate. For this I click on Image and have the options Rotate Left and Rotate Right to rotate my image by 90 degrees. If you want to rotate the image individually, this is possible using the option Fine Rotation. Here you can specify an exact number of degrees, for example 57, and the image will be aligned accordingly. An important point is the option Keep Original Image Canvas Size. If I click on this, the original canvas size is restored and cannot be exceeded. However, this ensures that parts of the image are cut off. If I want to be able to see all the contents of the image after the rotation, this function must be deactivated. It also makes sense to enable the anti-aliasing for a better quality. If we are done, we click on OK and the image has been rotated accordingly. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.